Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add a company logo to your company in your Upwork client account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already switched my account from freelancer to client type. In case you have not, do switch it right now. Now let's simply try to add a company logo. At the top right, you're gonna see your profile picture right here. Well, right now there's no profile picture. I'm just gonna click on it, and as you can see, something like this opened up. Well, from here, what I'd like to do is just go to settings. The button's right here. I'm just gonna click on it. And right here, just below my account, you guys can see something like company details. And right next to it, here's a pen-like icon. That is edit. Just click on it right now. And then as you can see, these are my company details. And right now, I just want to add a profile picture or a company logo. I'm gonna click on this logo button right here. Well, do note that it might ask you to enter your password once again. Simply enter it and hit on continue. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you have entered the password, well, something like this will open up. Well, do note that you can either upload or drop your image from right here. I'm going to try to upload something. And let's just say this right here is my company logo. In case you want to delete it, simply hit on this delete button right here. Or in case you want to change, hit on this change button. Right now, I'm quite satisfied. So I'm simply gonna hit on the save image button right here. And guys, that's it. As you can see, my company logo has been updated. That's how you update your company logo in your Upwork client account type. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.